Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hello, my name is Urmila. It's been ages. I filmed a YouTube video, long format video. It feels so nice to be back. I missed doing it so much. I have my own reasons. A, I have no content idea whatsoever. B, I have no time. I was extremely busy. Again, zero content ideas. I have no clue what exactly to film for long format. So here I am. Today's video, you read the title already. It's gonna be a haul video. మా అన్న వచ్చిండు US నుంచి. So haul video అయితే చేయాలి. It's a very tiny haul. I barely picked maybe a 10 products. 10 products is a lot, but then for people like me, it's actually not. This is what we're gonna do today. Before that, I missed doing YouTube so much, and same video నేను reel లో కూడా షూట్ చేసిన. It's a US haul అని చెప్పి. I thought it's for YouTube fam. We are very close to 500 subscribers. I remember I saying the same thing when I have 50 subscribers. It's way too less. 500. I'm not even earning anything, but it is what it is. Kada. So ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం? హాల్ కన్నా ముందు లెట్స్ డూ ఎ చిన్న చిట్ చాట్ వీడియో. ప్లీజ్ ఇగ్నోర్ ఆల్ ద నాయిస్. ఎవరో బోర్ వేస్తున్నారు. లైక్ హీస్ బీన్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ స్టూపిడ్ థింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ పాస్ట్ 4 days. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఈవెన్ కిడింగ్. ఐ came back from my home on Thursday. From Thursday, it's non-stop. Like mad. I'm going crazy with all the noise. I don't like noise, by the way. As I told you, last month was pretty busy for me, my work wise and everything. And also మా అన్న పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నాడు. My cousin got married last month. So పెళ్లి షాపింగ్ అని అదని ఇదని I was busy anyways. It's not like shopping వల్ల busy అని ఏం కాదులే కానీ I didn't actually did a lot of shopping. Maybe a day or two I went with him, that's it. So yeah, అది సంగతి. పెళ్ళికి ఇట్లా రెడీ అయినా. ఫస్ట్ టైం చీర కట్టుకున్నా. నాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఫస్ట్ టైం, బట్ సీరియస్గా నేను పెళ్ళి చీర కొన్ని చీర కట్టుకోవడం, ఒక పట్టు చీర. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఫర్ మీ. ప్రీవియస్లీ ఐ థింక్ once or twice, I'm not sure, but I did drape a saree, but it was my mom's saree. So this time around I was very specific about what I want. I was very specific about the color I want. Ala specific una that I don't want to pick the saree from Hyderabad. I want to shop it from my village అని చెప్పి గద్వాల్ చుట్టుపక్కల అని అనుకొని వెళ్ళినా కానీ, బట్ అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ నాకు ఇట్లా చెక్స్ అండ్ బుటాస్ శారీ కావాల్సి ఉండింది. అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ ఐ డెంట్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ వన్ ఇన్ గద్వాల్, సో ఐ పిక్డ్ ఇట్ అప్ ఇన్ కర్నూల్. ఐ షాప్డ్ విత్ మై ఫాదర్. He was a big help. You know where exactly to go and all. Any places తిరిగినామంటే we went to almost all shops in Gadwal. We went to Weaver's house. So yeah, finally నాకు ఇదే చెక్స్ కావాల్సి ఉండింది, బ్రౌన్ కలర్ కావాల్సి ఉండింది. లైక్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ద పీస్ ఐ వాంటెడ్. ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది, పిక్చర్ వేస్తా. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఐ లుక్. లెమిన్ ఇన్ ద కామెంట్స్ ఎట్లా ఉన్నా ఏంటి అని. ప్రాపర్ ఫొటోస్ ఏం లేవు. ఆనెస్ట్లీ స్పీకింగ్, ఐ వాస్ నాట్ కంప్లీట్లీ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ విత్ మై లుక్. ఈవెన్ ద జ్యువెలరీ ఆల్సో, I could have done something better with my neck piece and all. But yeah, anyhow, people liked me in sari and all. I barely had maybe 10 minutes to get ready. 10 freaking minutes to drape sari, makeup and everything. Adi matter. Peli eskunnadu, అయిపోయింది. Congratulations Chandu and Charini. Oh my god, I didn't realize she was my first Vadina, but I don't call her Vadina. I call her by her name. Without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So first one, we have this elf eyelash curler. Oh my god, I need this so bad because I broke my eyelash curler maybe 3 years ago. Appad nunchi I'm using the same broken curler, but I'm not getting any new. I didn't get any chance, honestly. I tried getting few, but they were quite expensive. So I wanted something affordable and also trustworthy brand. Honestly, I didn't get any chance. I didn't take it seriously because the broken one also working. It was also working fine. So finally, Manato తెప్పించుకున్నా. First he got it for $5 and then మళ్ళీ కొంచెం తగ్గిందని చెప్పి he gave it back and got $3. $3కి వచ్చింది మొత్తానికి. Next I picked few products from NYX. So again, NYX is quite expensive here in India, and this time around I picked all of them affordable. I tried my level best, and I did not actually pick a lot of products because our timings were different. I couldn't, ask my brother, explain him everything what exactly I want. As I told you, I was extremely busy last month. I didn't get any chance to even think and list down what I want. I wanted Rhode blush also. కానీ ఇవన్నీ like I just forgot a lot of things. I promised myself that I'm gonna stick only to affordable products, that I'm gonna pick only affordable products, and I think I did pretty good job. So first వచ్చేసి I picked these NYX lip liners. Oh my god, people rave about this lip liners. Even US creators gani, even people from India, they rave about these products, and I didn't get any chance to try them, especially this shade. It's called Nude Truffle, and apparently this is Hailey Bieber's favorite shade from NYX. So I thought I should pick this. Confident ga pick cheskuna, and now I feel it might wash out me, but not sure. But I really like shades which wash out me. I am weird like that. And one more shade I picked was in the shade brown. ఈ రెండు పిక్ చేసిన. And one more very 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 popular product of NYX is there. I mean, not, I wouldn't say popular, it's cult favorite. This NYX micro brow pencil. Again, I heard so many good things about this, and I thought I should give it a try. So this I picked in the shade Espresso, I guess, if I'm not wrong. It's supposed to be very good for the people who actually don't have any brow situation, so many gaps and all. It's quite expensive here in India, so I thought I might as well get from US. And one more quite famous is their glue gel. So I always wanted to invest in a very nice eyebrow gel. I did invest in two. Both of them are from Anastasia, and both of them are not up to the mark. I mean, I don't know, for some reason the pot I got, which is Priyanka Chopra's favorite, it was waste of my money. I bought both of them from US only, I guess. No, one I picked in India, I guess, I'm not sure, but both of them are from Anastasia, and they are quite disappointment. So this time I picked this one. Let's see how this works. And this time around I did not try any of these products, just because లేదంటే మనకు ఆగదు కదా. The minute I get all this, I feel like a kid with all candy. How can we resist? I start using them right away, but this time around I thought I'll just make the video and then start using. Two lip balms from Laneige, okay, lip balm, and the other one is lip mask. Every time I use the same lip mask in the same flavor, that is berry, I guess. So this time I thought I'll change all the flavors, so I picked up this in mango, and this one in sweet candy. Oh no, these I actually ordered from Nykaa. No, my brother didn't get this. These are not from US. I don't know. Read lo kuda cheppesna, marchipoyina. That's it. Next, Sol de Janeiro 59. I've been meaning to get my hands on this for a while. I've tried this and I've heard really good things, that this will long last more than 62. I already have the caramel 62 something, which I'm not a fan, by the way. If that is way too vanilla for me. I'm not straight away sweet person. There should be some masala in my perfumes. Masala in the sense, it should be a little fruity, sweet, something different. It should not be like straight away, it should not smell like a caramel chocolate, right? I don't want that. So I think this one I really liked. It's different, it's yummy. Perfume collection lo chaala add aitunayi, which is making me really happy. So I think I have to make my perfume collection మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి, ఎందుకంటే perfume collection rejuvenate అయింది కాబట్టి. And I picked few products from a brand called Bubble. Oh my god, I'm seeing this brand on Instagram for almost 2 to 3 years, I guess, I'm not sure, but I always wanted to try their products just for the packaging. I'm not sure how they're gonna perform and everything, but I just want them just for the packaging. You will also agree with me. I'll just show you this lip balm, and just look at this packaging also. It's very quirky, very funky with all the bright colors, different pastels and bright. Oh god, this is so cute. Look at this. Look at this. How cute is this? That color and everything, and it can be a nice charm for my bag. I'm gonna use it as a charm as well. ఇది ఎట్లా ఓపెన్ చేయాలి తెలుసా? We are supposed to open it like a bottle. It's not like tick tick. I'm really excited. I haven't tried and I can't wait to try all this. Isn't this cute? ఎంత క్యూట్ ఉంది అసలు. అబ్బాయిలు చూస్తే పిల్ల అనుకుంటారు, బట్ యూ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. మీరు షడప్ అంతే. And I got Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. You see the package. You will see the package. What are these colors, bro? The packaging is like that drunk elephant packaging where you have to press and the product dispenses here. So packaging is quite cute. I read all these things on the box order and they are so cute. I'll just read one thing for you. So, Juicy Secret. I am a plant-based, berry-flavored lip balm that absorbs easily to hydrate, soothe and smooth chapped dry lips. How to use me? Apply to lips as needed to prevent dryness. I am best for everyone. How cute is that? It's like the product itself is speaking to us. That's very innovative. Those are very small things, but adds a lot to the brand. We have this toner mist. Look at the packaging. It's very tiny. Just throw it in the gym bag and good to go. I was supposed to get Tower 28 mist also, which kills the bacteria once you spray. See, I forgot everything. I picked this milky toner from Bioma. I hope I'm not butchering the name. Etla pronounce cheyalo I don't know. It's spelled Byoma. So again, this brand, I've been meaning to get my hands on this for ages. I'm not even kidding. But I didn't get any chance. And by the way, all these products are from Ulta. Manna kabatti, he's such a sweet person, manchodu kabatti, నాకు ఏదైనా ఇట్లాంటి హెల్ప్ కావాలంటే చేస్తాడు కాబట్టి I sent him to Ulta. ముందు వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు my friends or cousins who came from US, they all go to Sephora. So I didn't get any chance to try all these products. These products are available in Ulta. Idi Kani, Bubble, Bioma, these are all available in Ulta. So anduku this time around I got some chance to get these products. And this particular one I've been meaning to try. It's called Hydrating Milky Toner. I'm a full-blown toner girl and I ran out of my toners. Just came in right time. I was on fence whether should I pick a serum and a moisturizer from the same brand anukunnale gaani, but I have already picked moisturizer and I already have like couple of serums to complete. It doesn't make any sense to pick more. So I was like, okay, I'll just pick this up because I really need this right now. So that's about the beauty stuff. Gokati, my friend, he's really sweet to send this. So he got me this strap for my Apple Watch. I asked him to pick one. So I wanted in a sage green or powder blue. Kan lekundindi navy blue, black, basic undindi. So I thought I'll just pick this peach one. Peach, orange, powder orange, whatever you want to call. Especially I wanted this Nike's run strap e kavalsindindi. So this one for my watch. 3 years నుంచి ఒకటే స్ట్రాప్ పెట్టి సంపుతున్నా. సో ఇది జస్ట్ జిమ్ కోసమే. మళ్ళీ బయటకు వెళ్తే ఇది తీసి I'll put on the regular ones. And coming to gym wear, I wanted lot of gym wears. మా అన్న 2-3 తెచ్చిండు. I thought he picked. He said he picked. And I thought he picked. So gym kosam I picked this Razorback tank tops anamata from Under Armour. I'm already wearing one. This is బాగుంది కదా. జిమ్ వేర్ ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు వేసుకుంటున్నా, ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు వేసుకుంది అంటే బ్రాండ్ వాంటెడ్ a white color thing. So I tried this and it looked nice. So atlane adi shoot chesnaka I'm shooting this video. And I also picked sports bras also I wanted. So I picked this one from Nike. So I think that's it for the haul video. From now I'll make sure I post one video a week without any excuses. I'll make sure I shoot something, whatever it is. I don't know అది vlog avani edaina vlog. I don't think so it's possible. I wish I had a nice flat and some fun people around me who take me to trips and all. సో అట్లా ఏం లేదు. నేను ఎంత బోరింగ్, మా రూమ్మేట్లు ఇంకా అంతకన్నా బోరింగ్. సో అది మ్యాటర్ మొత్తానికి. సో యా, ఐ థింక్ దట్స్ ఇట్ ఫర్ today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video next week without fail. I'm promising you that I'll come back every week from now. And inkoti em telusa, I started this very random series. It's just random. I got protein bar yesterday. I've been meaning to do this for a while, you know, just share some healthier alternatives for unhealthy stuff. ఇప్పుడు చాక్లెట్ తింటాం, ఏదైనా చాక్లెట్ తినాలనిపించింది ఇవాళ, వి జస్ట్ ఈట్ చాక్లెట్. కానీ దాని బదులు చిన్న హెల్దియర్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్. నేను జిమ్కి వెళ్తున్నప్పటి నుంచి ద లాట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజెస్ దట్ ఐ మేడ్, బీట్ ఫుడ్, బీట్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్, sleep wise, whatever it is. So I thought I'll just share some snacky options, food options and everything with you guys, which are little healthy and tastier also. So yeah, ఒకటి ఇవాళ షూట్ చేసిన ఇదే అవుట్ఫిట్ తోని తింటున్నా అని ఐ జస్ట్ షార్ట్ దట్ వీడియో. వెరీ ర్యాండమ్, ఇట్స్ గonna బి వెరీ రా అండ్ ర్యాండమ్, లైక్ నాట్ వెరీ లైక్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ సిరీస్ లాగా ఏం లేదు. ఐ డూ ఈట్ లాడ్ ఆఫ్ హెల్దియర్ స్నాక్స్. దే ఆర్ స్నాక్స్, చిప్స్ అట్లాంటివే, బట్ దెన్ దే క్లెయిమ్ టు బి హెల్దీ. సో అదే మీకు చెప్తున్నా, ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ ఐవ్ టెస్టెడ్ అవన్నీ ఏం లేదు. బయట మార్కెట్లో దొరికినాయి, మీకు కొంచెం I'm just helping you guys out. Ante. I don't know, for some reason I've become so lethargic. I'm telling you, ఏం లేదు, జిమ్కి వెళ్ళాలనిపించదు, పని చేయాలనిపించదు, ఏం చేయాలనిపించదు. I just want to sleep on bed. నిద్ర కూడా రాదు మనకు. So I just want to sleep, roll అక్కడ ఇక్కడ అక్కడ and then watch something. That's what I want to do. పని అంటే ఇట్లా నాకు భయం వేస్తుంది ఇంకా, which is very bad. Like why I was questioning the other day. I was like, it's nothing, but I'm just being lethargic. I'm just being such a bad lazy girl, which is not good. So today I went to gym. Even yesterday, day before yesterday, I went to gym, but with like zero motivation. Today I was like, na outfit anta disi night I just kept outside. Day before nene na antak nene lesi got ready, podduna gym ki velli 2 hours ఇట్లా పొద్దునే జిమ్కి వెళ్ళి ఒక 2 hours కష్టపడి వచ్చిన అంతే. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, do not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel.